Hello students, myself S.K. Jadhav from Department of Electronic Science, KTHM College, Nasik. In this lecture, we will continue the topic Comparative Study of TTL, CMOS and ECL logic families. Let us understand the learning objectives of this lecture. In previous lecture, we have discussed about characteristics, advantages and disadvantages of TTL logic family. In this lecture, we will discuss remaining logic families such as ECL and CMOS logic families and the comparative study of TTL, ECL and CMOS. Let us discuss about emitter coupled logic or ECL. ECL or emitter coupled logic is based on bipolar transistors. It is one of the non-saturated digital logic family. The emitters of the transistors are connected all together, hence the name emitter coupled logic families. It is the fastest of all logic families and therefore is employed in applications where very high speed is essential. High speeds have become possible in ECL because transistors are used in differential amplifier configuration in which transistors are never driven into saturation, but it is operating in active region. That is the reason for its high speed operation and thereby the storage delay time is eliminated and improves the speed of circuit to a great extent. The propagation time is about 1 nanosecond, making it the fastest logic family. It has an increased power consumption, maybe up to 60 milliwatt per gate. Low noise immunity about 0.2 volt to 0.25 volt. The output of an ECL system has very low impedance, thus having a fan out of ECL is about 25. These transistors use the property of current switching, that means operates on the principle of current switching, and therefore this family is also known as current steering or direction finding logic or CSL, that means current steering logic, or current mode logic, that is CML. A logic low voltage for ECL is about minus 1.7 volt to minus 1.75 volt, and a logic high voltage for ECL is about minus 0.8 volt. These are unusual and not compatible to TTL or CMOS logic families. The ECL logic gates usually have both an OR gate and a NOR gate output. The basic logic gate is OR or NOR gate. It is used in some high-speed specialist applications but now largely replaced by high-speed CMOS families. Let us discuss the advantages of ECL logic families. ECL has a fan out better than the TTL logic family. That means it has fan out of 25, which is better than TTL and less than CMOS. It offers the highest speed in operation. ECL systems produce complementary outputs, for example, OR, NOR, and NAND, etc. The parameters do not vary with temperature. It has average propagation delay time near about 1 to 4 nanosecond, which is better compared to both TTL and CMOS family, and hence it is known as fastest logic family. Then disadvantages of ECL logic families. ECL logic family has worst noise immunity, or you can say low noise margin, compared to TTL and CMOS family. Highest power consumption or high power dissipation when compared with TTL and CMOS family. It has power per gate of about 4 to 55 milliwatt. ECL logic families require large currents, therefore, power dissipation is 3 to 10 times higher than that of TTL logic families. It uses negative supply voltage, which makes it difficult to use ECL in conjunction with TTL and MOS circuits. The logic levels are not compatible with any other logic family and therefore makes analysis and measurement inconvenient. Another disadvantage is it requires large silicon area because of its large power consumption and high requirement of silicon area. CMOS logic gates are preferred over ECL logic families in large scale integrated circuits. VLSI design is difficult as ECL circuits require resistors and therefore increases the system size. It consists of capacitive loading and therefore it reduces the fan out capacity of ECL logic family, and its cost is also very high as compared to other family. Let us now discuss the third type of logic family, that is complementary metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor logic family. The CMOS family uses MOSFETs, that is N channel and P channel MOSFETs in the integrated circuits. Both NMOS and CMOS complement each other and are used symmetrically in each configuration of the circuit, and hence the name complementary metal oxide semiconductor. CMOS consumes very little power than TTL and ECL family, which has made portable electronics possible. Power consumption depends on speed, perhaps near about 1 milliwatt per gate. It usually operates from a single power supply of 5 volt to up to 15 volt. Then it has excellent noise immunity of about 30% of supply voltage. It can be connected to a large number of gates, about 50. Then it is suitable for SSI, MSI and also LSI integration technologies. It is used with a wide range of voltages. Then highest fan out among all families. This CMOS logic is available in either NAND or NOR configurations. In CMOS, P-channel and N-channel MOS devices are fabricated on the same chip, which makes its fabrication complicated, but it reduces the packing capacity or packaging density. It increases complexity and lowers the packing density. Hence, CMOS is ideally suited for battery operated systems. Let us now discuss the characteristics of CMOS logic families. CMOS supports a very large fan out, more than 50 transistors. It has excellent noise immunity amongst all families. A logic low voltage for CMOS is about 0 to 1.5 volt and a logic high voltage for ECL is somewhere between 4.5 volt to 5 volt. The propagation delay is the worst when compared with TTL and ECL families at about 200 nanosecond. Then what are the advantages of CMOS logic families? Advantages of CMOS logic families are it has the highest fan out when compared with TTL and ECL family. It works well over a wide range of temperature and the noise immunity is better than TTL and ECL family. Then disadvantages of CMOS logic family. Disadvantage is the average propagation delay is the least in comparison with TTL and ECL logic families. Then what are the applications of CMOS logic families? The applications of CMOS logic families are we use CMOS chips in radio frequency applications or RF applications, then satellite communication, Bluetooth, and mobile networks. We also see their use in radar communication or radar applications and Wi-Fi technology. To be honest, CMOS is the backbone of the semiconductor industry and its applications are countless. Then CMOS logic ICs or common CMOS logic ICs. There are several families of CMOS logic. For example, 4000 series, and this 4000 series is the original series. For example, or example of 4000 series is dual 3 input NOR gate. The next faster series is 40H00 and this is faster than the previous series, that is 400 series. The next is 74C00 and this series is pin compatible to TTL. Then 74HC00 series. This is high speed pin compatible to TTL family. 74HC-T00 series, that is input output voltage compatible to TTL family. 74AC, that means advanced CMOS, and its performance is generally between 74S and 74F family. 74ACT, that means Advanced CMOS TTL compatible, and performance is generally between 74S and 74F family. And 74AHC, that is Advanced High Speed CMOS family, and this family is three times as fast as 74HC family, and it is tolerant of 5.5 voltage of input. Comparison of logic families. Let us now discuss the comparative study of TTL, ECL, and CMOS family. Major parameters for comparing logic families are the propagation delay, noise immunity, fan in, fan out, power dissipation, figure of merit or speed power product, cost, and the applications. Then the comparison is in between the components used. In case of TTL, the transistors and passive elements are used during the fabrication. In ECL, transistors and passive elements such as resistors are used for the fabrication, and in case of CMOS, the MOSFET, that is metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistors, are used for the fabrication. Then the basic gate for TTL family is NAND gate. In ECL family is either or NOR gate, and the basic CMOS gate is NAND or NOR gate. Then noise immunity of TTL logic family is strong, or you can say very good, as compared to ECL and CMOS family, and noise immunity of ECL is good, and in case of CMOS it is very good, or you can say very strong or excellent. Then fan out of TTL family is near about 10, or you can say moderate fan out. Then ECL fan out is very high and it is equal to 25, but in case of CMOS the fan out is highest, that means up to 50, or you can say more than TTL and ECL family. Then propagation delay time in nanosecond. In case of TTL it is 1.5 to 30 nanosecond. In ECL 1 to 4 nanosecond, and in case of CMOS 1 to 210 nanosecond. The noise margin in TTL is moderate, or in terms of voltage it is nearly equal to 0.4 volt. Then in ECL noise margin is very low, that is about 0.25 volt, and in case of CMOS the noise margin is very high, nearly equal to 5 volt. Then power dissipation in milliwatt per gate in case of TTL is about 10 milliwatt per gate. In case of ECL it is 40 to 55 milliwatt per gate, and in case of CMOS it is nearly equal to 0.0025 to 0.01 milliwatt per gate. Then clock rate in megahertz. In case of TTL is 35 megahertz. In ECL greater than 60 megahertz, and in CMOS it is equal to 10 megahertz. Then the next important specification is figure of merit, or it is also called as speed power product. And in case of TTL, this speed power product is near about 100 picojoule. In case of ECL, it is 40 to 100 picojoule. And in case of CMOS, it is equal to 0.7 picojoule. Then the next important characteristic or important specification is cost of the family. Then if you compare TTL, ECL and CMOS, then the cost of TTL is very low as compared to ECL, and the cost of ECL is very high, and cost of CMOS is also very low. And the last important specification is applications. And applications of TTL families are, it is generally used for laboratory purpose and demonstration equipment. Then ECL families are, or ECL ICs are used in case of high speed switching applications. Then due to high speed switching applications, and in CMOS portable equipments, because they consume very less power. Let us now conclude this lecture. In lecture number 6, 7 and 8, we have discussed different types of logic families such as DL, that is diode logic, RTL, that is resistor transistor logic, diode transistor logic, and direct couple transistor logic families. And all these three families have become obsolete because of their low speed, high power dissipation, and low fan out. Then the next important family is TTL, and you know that this TTL is the most popular general purpose logic family, and it is available in different series with a wide range of operating speed, power dissipation, and fan out. ECL is the fastest logic family. Then next important family is MOS family, and in case of MOS devices occupy a very small fraction of silicon chip area as compared to bipolar devices and need very small power as compared to other families. The main disadvantage of MOS family is low speed, and this disadvantage is improved by using the another technology, by using uh, MOS component, and that means combination of PMOS and NMOS MOSFET, and it is known as CMOS family. CMOS has low speed but very small physical size and simple geometry. Its power dissipation is very small, and therefore nowadays it is widely used in electronic wristwatches, calculators, portable computers, etc. Thank you.